Aftermath of the floods, many families across North Texas say they are now weighing whether to send their kids to overnight camps this summer. People across the state say the floods hit close to home. Now camp staff are facing less concerns about physical safety and more about managing children's grief and fears. Camp organizers say they are training their staff to handle tough questions and big feelings, all while creating a space for children to be seen, heard, and loved.
We kept a lot of camp as normal as we could for the kids. So we had the same level of excitement coming in, the same level of excitement in rally and our activities. We really wanted to keep the sadness as much as we could at bay for the majority of our kids, but then give space for those that needed extra space to process.